you have to replace an oven like this, and you want to remove the lids so that way it will be lighter to take it out and replace it with a new one. So now I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. So all you have to do once you open this up, you have to lift this locking mechanism. Do the same thing here. So usually it's like that. You have to lift it up and then push the door up, and you should be able to remove it. Now I'm going to show you.